Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Berge, the Daily Trader. It is Monday, October 24th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla closed down $3.19. That's 1.49%. Closed at 211.25. Post market, we seem to be done by an additional 5 cents. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. Last Friday, we bounced on 205, came a little bit lower, but then had a nice bone candle coming up. And now today we opened above 25, went super low, tried to get back higher, but we just could not close as high as yesterday. So I perceive a little bit of weakness right here. So we have a lower low, we have a lower high, and I have drawn this new downward resistance, which is basically an extension of this downward channel right here. And it seems to fit pretty well since October 18. It seems, yes, we were outside of this downward channel, but apparently there is another layer to that channel. We cannot know that in advance, but we can just discover this with enough data. And now we have 4 different candles and we see it. The good news is that we are still above 205, but there is definitely a weakness right here. If we go on the hourly chart, so yes, we had a gap down during the first hour here. We had a gap down, then we came back up. And now we are weakening a little bit on the last hour. The good news for the bull people is that we have stochastic over 60 on the 1-hour chart. But we are still below where we were on Friday at 214.49. It is anybody's guess what is going to happen tomorrow, because on the 1-hour chart, we seem to have a good impulse, but we have a resistance that is very close. If we don't break 214, then we could be coming down. On the daily chart, we still have stochastic at 14, which is extremely low. Everything is extremely low. So there's no power yet in this stock at all. Personally, I would not be surprised if we start breaking 205. We'll see. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.